Today we're going to be comparing two budget kings, and the winner is going to surprise you. Right here is the Samsung S21 FE, and we have the Samsung A17 5G. One of them is way older and one of them is way newer, but which one is the better one? The better of the two devices is the Samsung S21 FE. It's not as powerful, does not have all the best specs in the world, but it is way more powerful than the A17 5G. Let me explain. The Samsung A17 5G has the bigger screen, but it has a lot more bezel and it has less pixel density. If you're liking this video so far, please give me a like and subscribe. Having higher pixel density means that you have a smoother and clearer, sharper image, and the Samsung S21 FE has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is a lot better than the 90 Hz that the A17 5G has. This device still has some features that make it a lot better than the Samsung S21 FE, like this is going to have a lot more security updates for the upcoming years. The Samsung S21 FE no longer has security updates, and I believe this one will have at least 6 years of security updates. This device is going to get 6 years of major updates whenever it comes to the operating software, so it's going to be supported until 2031, while this device, the Samsung S21 FE, is no longer going to get any form of update at all. The Samsung S21 FE 5G is the better mobile gaming device, and that's why I love it so much. On the A17, you can definitely play mobile games, but it has to be games like Subway Surfer or other games that don't require you to actually have a lot of power from your device. Let's talk cameras, because the A17 5G has the way better camera. This has a 50 megapixel camera, meaning that you can record a pretty decent quality videos in the current year of 2026. The Samsung S21 FE has a 12 megapixel camera, which you can definitely tell is still good in 2026, only when you're taking still frame photos. If you want to do any type of video, you're going to notice that there's going to be a little bit of, let's just say, not good quality. This is a video playing. Believe it or not, my hand is shaking in the video, and you can definitely tell that it doesn't look the absolute best. When you compare it to the Samsung Galaxy 17, look at this. It looks a lot better. In my personal opinion, both of these devices are pretty darn good in their price range, so you should definitely get both. The Samsung S21 FE is a device you can get for roughly around 150 bucks or less, and it performs a lot better because it has 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM, but it only has 128 gigabytes of storage. You can get 256 gigabytes for this model, but this device does have 128 and 256 gigabyte availability options, but this also has 2 terabytes of expandable storage. And this device is around $200 brand new, no matter where you look. You should also see if your carrier will give you this phone for a better deal, because this phone is typically a phone that gets a lot of offers whenever people sign up or when they just want to have an upgrade. I like both phones, but if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section below.